This is just a simple demonstration about colors of light. As you can see, we use flashlight as our source of light, since it gives off white light. There are three primary colors of light: red, blue, and green. Addition of colors. By using primary colors of light, we can produce secondary colors of light: yellow, magenta, and cyan. We can achieve magenta by combining red and blue.
Magenta. Okay.
Yellow by red and green.
Green. Let it go. Yellow.
And cyan by green and blue.
Green. Blue.
Sa'yo matagalan konti.
Cyan.
On the other hand, we add the three additive primary colors, red, blue, and green. It results to color white.
One, two, three, four.
And by adding yellow and magenta plus cyan, the subtractive secondary colors, it will result to color black.
Wala tayong kamay.
If there is absence of all colors, white
Pwede na?
light appear. And when there is the presence of all colors, black light appears. Complementary colors are any two color which, when combined, results to white.
Okay.